Hey guys, what is going on? Vitai Dubin is here and I'm super excited to welcome you all back to the channel and today's in crypto show. So many things has been going on in the crypto space, and me personally, I've been attending numerous events here in Dubai, one after another, from the WOW Summit and Crypto Expo and AIBC Summit and you name it. And there's going to be even more events coming up in the next few days, so a lot to update you guys. So I want to welcome everyone who is tuning in right now. We're going to run for very important news, what's going on right now in the crypto space, of course, and what are the best opportunities that exist right now. So let's dive right in. You see the market is in the green today. Ethereum is up 5%. Back above $3,000, which is very reassuring. I think Ethereum is heading towards new all-time highs. Bitcoin is up 4.5% and is dancing with the $45,000. And overall, the market is in the green, 3.2%. And it's nice to see the crypto market is above $2 trillion. A lot of the coins have been starting to gain back the momentum that they have been lacking in the last couple of months. Now looking at the price of Bitcoin, we are seeing finally something very exciting going on today as we are breaking out right now as I speak this triangle that we've been covering throughout all the last times that I've been doing the live shows. And you can see, guys, that we are right now creating a higher high on the Bitcoin price, which is a trend reversal that all the way back in the 5th of February, we kind of been consolidating. You can say all the way this year, in the last couple of months, we've been trading within this range. And finally, today, we are breaking out of this range. Now we need to wait for the confirmation of this breakout. So what we would like to see is something like that we go and break out and then come back and retest it as support and then go and continue trading higher. So this is the likely scenario that we are all watching on right now. Very exciting. And of course, we need to go ahead and have this line of 200 days moving average and take this $48,000. But it's looking good right now. At least the 50 days we are having this as support, and we are heading towards the next line of $48,000, which is really the start of a huge momentum towards the upside. And we are still in this multi-year channel, and you can see in Bitcoin price right here. So we have a long way to go, and this 200 days moving average is an important line. So for now, we are in a good track. We're gaining momentum. And one reason for this Bitcoin move right now is Terra that has claimed that they're going to buy $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. And so far, they already bought $800 million worth of Bitcoin on a balance. So that's really awesome and is driving the price up. They still have $9.2 billion to go for the Terra Luna protocol. Now we are seeing Exxon is taking its gas and turning its unused gas essentially to power the Bitcoin mining in 4 countries. So this is an oil giant, and they're launching its mining, its Bitcoin mining operations. Very good to see. We're seeing more and more people. Actually, I had a meeting a couple days ago with a guy that sold his company with thousands of employees in order to set up Bitcoin mining operation in New York. So we are seeing this movement of more and more companies that are joining the Bitcoin mining machine and trend. Now, we also have this interesting news coming up that Russia is open to selling natural gas for Bitcoin. So, Russia is so sanctioned from all over the places. And right now, this talks about the gas and Europe to not accept Russian gas because of the war that is going on in Ukraine. And this is interesting. Russia can trade with friendly countries, not really that friendly, in national currencies or Bitcoin, the chairman of the State Duma Committee on Energy said today, right? When it comes to our friendly countries like China or Turkey, which don't pressure us, then we have been offering them for a while to switch payments to national currencies like rubles or and yuan. With Turkey, it can be lira and rubles, so there can be a variety of currencies, and that's the standard price. If they want Bitcoin, we will trade in Bitcoin. Interesting, right? We have a top Israeli bank start to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum. Finally, we have a Bank Leumi. I had this bank essentially for many years while I was living in Israel, and finally, they started to accept Bitcoin and Ethereum trading after a very long time of not really doing that and shying away. But we see right now this FOMOing from the banking industry into the crypto industry, and so much FOMOing that we are seeing Goldman Sachs, huge bank, makes its first over-the-counter crypto trade with Galaxy Digital and announcing that they're going to be offering OTC on a regular basis. And if you go to the Goldman Sachs website, you can see on the very front page, you see a huge word, and that is digitalization. From cryptocurrencies to the metaverse, explore the mega trends that are reshaping economies. That's one of the biggest banks in the world, and in the very top page on their website, nothing else, one word: digitalization. Wow, what a time we are living in right now. Now, if you didn't know that it's Goldman Sachs, you would think this is a kind of like a cryptocurrency website project, right? And you see this is a bank, there's their annual report. So this is fantastic news for crypto that we are seeing such a development. And one of the largest, if not the largest, hedge fund managers, BlackRock, saying Russia-Ukraine war could accelerate use of cryptocurrencies. That's right. Think about that. We already knew it, but people realize like you can rely really on ruble, you can rely really on fiat. You know, it's inflation and everything. The world will prompt countries to reevaluate their currency dependencies. Interesting. And how we are going to move forward. Of course, I think we're going to accelerate the adoption rate. Now, if you pay attention to the news too much about the trends, you can see interesting phenomena. On March 10th, there was an article in the Forbes magazine about interest in NFTs and the metaverse is falling fast. A week later, they're publishing the metaverse is growing up, getting serious, going beyond board NFTs and gamers to offering practical business applications. The same website, a week later. So when it comes to like trends, what is going up and what is going down, you need to take it with a bit of a grain of salt, even if it's a Forbes magazine, right? Because crypto is, it is changing fast. It is changing fast. If you look at the top assets by market cap, gold is number 1, Apple number 2, Microsoft number 3, and Bitcoin number 9. But it's bigger than Nvidia, Berkshire Hathaway, and by the way, Nvidia has been gaining more and more market share because of the crypto space, because of the metaverse, because of the mining chips. Who is producing those chips for the metaverse, for the computers? Nvidia produces a lot of them, right? So Bitcoin is bigger than Facebook and Visa, and you can see Ethereum. Where is Ethereum? Ethereum is right there. It's bigger than a lot of companies, bigger than Bank of America, it's bigger than MasterCard. It's a force to be reckoned with, for sure. $380 billion. A lot of exciting things going on. Looking at Solana, you can see that Solana has 75% of Solana has been staked. 75.9%, and their transactions per second currently at 3,211, something that Ethereum would wish it would do, right? But it's not right now. It's still operating so slow. So now we can see NFTs are taking speed. For example, Pegasus on the Polygon blockchain game is gaining popularity, where you can actually race horses just like this, play the game, earn some money by playing the game, all running on Polygon, which is Ethereum layer 2 solution. We see Dogecoin rising 14% as Bitcoin ATM operator adds Doge to kiosks. That's quite interesting. So we have more and more Bitcoin ATMs adding Doge, right? Interesting move, of course, and something that, you know, it once was a joke, as a meme, as Dogecoin is becoming a force to be reckoned with, and buy some stuff and merchandise with it. Big news for Kadena. Kadena is launching the Kadena DEX coming up very soon. Finally, the KDEX is happening very soon. So I see this coin, the KD token, which I bought and I'm holding. I'm not selling right now. We're pleased to see the KDEX official DEX is officially code complete in less than a year. AMM smart contract on mainnet. KDEX has developed Kadena swap infrastructure into a DEX capable of bringing the future of DeFi. And right now, Kadena is in a juicy price, down 75% from the all-time high. So, in my opinion, it's not a financial advice, of course. It's a pretty good timing to get into the Kadena right now. And I think it has a good chance that it's going to surpass its previous all-time high at some point in the future, right? And of course, I love Drip Network. Drip right now is in a very juicy spot, about $41, and it is a very juicy spot to get in because the Animal Farm is very soon going to be relaunched. Right now it's been paused for over 2 weeks, but very soon the farms are going to relaunch, and the Drip USD liquidity on the Animal Farm is going to be added significantly right here. And right now it's 2.8 million, but it's going to get back up to 30-40 million right here, and we'll see the price skyrocket once again. So it's a great timing to get in and start staking Drip and compounding it. I've been staking right now over 3,000 coins on the Drip network, and all it takes is BNB. It's very simple. If you want to learn how it all works, just go to deflationarydailyroi.com, watch the webinar, and see exactly how this works. It's not rocket science, it's DeFi. It's very simple process. And tomorrow I'll be speaking at the Global Digital Club meetup that is happening in Dubai, and very excited about that. Something with the website I can see right now. It's going to be an interesting event, about 80 to 100 people there, officially pre-launching the club that is going to educate the masses about the crypto space. So that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Subscribe to the channel, and always be aware of impersonators. There is a lot of impersonators out there who are using Facebook, Instagram, fake profiles, using my picture and reaching out to my followers and friends. So please be careful and be aware that who are you actually talking to, because unfortunately it's something that it's hard to prevent. I keep blocking these people, and stuff like that, but you gotta be careful with that, and never ever transfer crypto to any wallet. Just be careful with that. So that's what I want to share with you. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto.